Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Now let's move forward. Exercise 12.1, question number 4. First of all, read this question. Here, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Okay, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Okay, here perimeter is given to us and two sides is given to us. So first of all, we need to find the third side by using the perimeter. Okay, two sides are given to us, so first of all we need to find the third side by using this perimeter. Okay, after that, by using three sides, we can find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Okay, so here first of all, just give the A and B. A is equal to 18 centimeter and B is equal to 10 centimeter. Now perimeter. Now perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, right? Sum of all the sides is our perimeter. Okay. Now perimeter is 42. So here 42 is equal to A 18 plus B 10 and plus C that we need to find. Okay. Now 42, 18 plus 10, 28 plus C. Now for finding out the value of C, transfer this 28 to the left hand side. So 42 minus 28 is equal to C. So here our C is equal to 42 minus 28, it is 14. Right? C is equal to 14. Now we know the three sides, A18, B10, C14. Okay, so now we can find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula, right? So here first of all we need to find semi-perimeter as. Now semi-perimeter means what? A plus B plus C by 2, but here perimeter is given to us, so directly we can say that perimeter divided by 2. Okay, A plus C, B plus C, that is perimeter, perimeter divided by 2, so directly perimeter is 42. So 42 divided by 2, 21 centimeter. Okay. Now area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. Now S 21, S minus A 21 minus A 18, 21 minus B that is 10, and S minus C 21 minus 14. Okay. Now here 21, that means 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 3s are 21. Now 21 minus 18, 3, 21 minus 10, 11, 21 minus 14, 7. Okay, here 7 3s are 21 minus 18, 3, 21 minus 10, 11, 21 minus 14, 7. Now here 2 times we have 7. So from that 1 times 7 we can take common, that means outside this square root. Now from 2 times 3 we can write 1 time 3 here, and 11 only 1 time, so it remains as it is. 11 we have only 1 time, so it remains as it is. Okay, 2 बार 3 में से एक बार बाहर आ जाएगा, 2 times 7 में से एक बार बाहर, 11 एक ही बार है वो अंडर रूट के अंदर as it is रहेगा. So 7 multiply 3, 21 under root 11 unit is centimeter, so centimeter square. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, so here find the area of triangle. So here two sides A and B is given. Perimeter is given to us, so A plus B plus C. From that we will get the value of our third side C. Now semi-perimeter, it is perimeter divided by 2. So it is 21 centimeter. After that, area of triangle, use the Heron's formula, under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put all the value here, S 21, A 18, B 10, C 14. Now factorize it and find out the square root. So 21 under root 11 centimeter square. Okay. Now let's move forward. Question number 5. First of all, read this question. Here, sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12, Zem 70, Zem 25, and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Okay, sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12, Zem 17, Zem 25, and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So here directly sides are not given to us, but ratio is given to us. Okay, these are not the sides, but it is the ratio. So our first work is to find all three sides. After that, we need to find semi-perimeter S. After that, we can find the area of triangle. Okay, what we need to do? Sides are given in the ratio. Perimeter is given to us. We need to find the area. Okay. So first of all, using the ratio, just assume the sides. First of all, using the ratio, assume the sides. So here write down, assume A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x, C is equal to 25x. According to the ratio, we need to assume the value of A, B and C. A 12x, B 17x, C 25x. Okay. Now perimeter is equal to 540. Now perimeter means what? A plus B plus C. Right? Perimeter means A plus B plus C. Now perimeter is 540. So 540 is equal to A 12x, B 17x plus C 25x. Okay. So 540 is equal to. Now find out the addition. 25 plus 12, 37 plus 17, 54. So 54x. Now we need to find the value of x. So for that, transfer this 54 to the left hand side. So here 540. Now this multiply 54 goes to the denominator. 54x, that means 54 multiply x. So this multiply 54 goes to the denominator, is equal to x. So x is equal to 54 tens. Right? So x is equal to 10 centimeter. Now here we know the value of x. We get the value of x. So now what we need to do? We need to put this value of x in A, B and C. So we will get our sides A, B, C that we want. Okay. So first of all, our A 12x. 12 multiplied 10, 120 centimeter. Then our B 17x. 17 multiplied x, x it is 10. So it is 170 centimeter, and then C 25x. So 25 multiply x it is 10. So 25 into 10, 250 centimeter. Okay. So right now we get our three sides. First side A 120 centimeter, second side B 170 centimeter, third side C 250 centimeter. Okay. Now find out the semi-perimeter S. Semi-perimeter S is equals to, now here A plus B plus C by 2, but we know the value of our perimeter. So directly perimeter divided by 2. So here perimeter divided by 2. So perimeter 540 divided by 2. So 54 divided by 2 is 27. So 270 centimeter. Okay, now we have the value of semi-perimeter as value of A, B and C. So we can use the Heron's formula. Okay, and we can find the area of the triangle. So here area of triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. Now semi-perimeter S that we know 270. Now S 270 minus A 120. So 270 minus 120. Then S minus B. So 270 minus B, it is 170. And 270 minus C, 250. Now here 270 multiply 270 minus 120, it is 150. Okay. Then 270 minus 170, 100. And here 270 minus 250, 20. Okay. Now 270, that means 9 3s are 27. 9 multiply 3 and multiply 1, 10. Okay. 9 3s are 27 into 10, 270. Then for 150, 5 3s are. So 5 multiply 3 multiply 10. 5 3s are 15 into 10, 150. Now multiply 100 remains as it is because square root of 100 that we know 10. So 100 as it is. And for 20, 5 4s are 20. Okay, just factorize. So 270, 9 3s are 27 into 10. Then for 150, 5 3s are 15 into 10. For 100 as it is 20, 5 4s are 20. Okay. Now square root of 9 that we know 3. Okay, we have 2 times 3. 2 में से एक बार आ जाएगा बाहर. Okay, now 10 2 times we have, so 1 time 10 here. 2 times 5 we have, so 1 time 5 here. From 100, square root of 100 that we know 10, and square root of 4 that even we know 2. Okay. Square root of 9 3. 2 times 3 में से एक बार बाहर. 2 times 5 में से एक बार 5 बाहर. 2 times 10 में से एक बार 10 बाहर. Square root of 100 10 and square root of 4 2. Okay. Now finally multiplication process. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 10 100. 100 into 10 1000. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 1000 9000 centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay. 9000 centimeter square. Here ratio is given to you. So assume A 12x, B 17 and C 25x. Perimeter is given to us 540. So perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. From here 12x plus 17x plus 25x. So from here we will get the value of x. Okay. Now put this value of x in A, B and C. So A is equal to 120 centimeter, B is equal to 170 centimeter and C is equal to 250 centimeter. From here find out the semi perimeter S and then area of triangle. And here just do the smart work and try to make the factors according to either they will get 2 times, otherwise we can find the square root. हमें फैक्टराइज उस हिसाब से करना है, ऐसा नहीं कि कंप्लीट फैक्टराइजेशन करना है। 27 270 है तो क्या लिखा गया, देखो 9 3 27, देखो 9 का स्क्वायर रूट हो सकता है, 3 को ऐसे रहने मल्टीप्लाई 10 भी क्यों रखा गया, क्योंकि पीछे भी 10 आने वाला है 150 में से, तो 2 बार 10 हो जाएगी। तो यहां से 5 3 15 into 10, 100 को कुछ नहीं किया गया क्योंकि उनका स्क्वायर रूट डायरेक्ट निकल सकता है। 25 4 ओके, उस हिसाब से 2 2 फैक्टर आए, उस हिसाब से फैक्टराइज करो, एक एक फैक्टर बाहर आ जाएंगे, स्क्वायर रूट इजीली फाइंड हो सकता है। ओके, सो 9000 centimeter square, this is the answer. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt in these questions, please write down in comment section. I'll give you the answer. Thank you.